Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic data visualization. Data visualization involves visually presenting data to identify patterns, relationships, and trends within the data. Python offers libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to create different types of visualizations. Matplotlib enables the creation of static plots like bar charts and histograms, while Seaborn enhances data visualization with attractive statistical graphics. For instance, if a company wants to analyze sales performance over time, they can use Matplotlib to create a line graph showing monthly sales figures, or utilize Seaborn to generate a heat map illustrating correlation between sales and advertising expenditure. By harnessing these Python libraries, users can effectively communicate data insights through compelling visual representations. Data visualizations are powerful tools for representing data in a clear and understandable manner. Line charts are commonly used to show trends over time, such as sales growth. Bar charts are effective in comparing values across different categories, like comparing revenue from different product lines. Scatter plots are useful for displaying relationships between two variables, like studying the correlation between temperature and ice cream sales. Histograms are ideal for illustrating the distribution of a single variable, for instance, showing the distribution of customer ages in a market research survey. Each type of visualization serves a specific purpose in conveying different insights from the data effectively. To create a basic line chart using Python's Matplotlib library, you first import the library at the beginning of your script. Then define your data points for the x and y axes. You can customize the appearance of your plot by adding labels to the x and y axes using plt.xlabel and plt.ylabel. Lastly, add a title to your chart with plt.title and display the plot with plt.show. This code will generate a simple line chart displaying the points 110, 220, 315, 425, and 530 on the graph. Title: Introduction to Creating Bar Charts in Python using Matplotlib I. Import required library, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. To prepare data, define labels and corresponding values to be displayed on the bar chart. 3. Create the bar chart. Use the plt.bar function with the labels and values provided as arguments. Customize the chart by setting labels for x-axis and y-axis values using plt.xlabel and plt.ylabel. Specify a title for the chart with plt.title. Display the chart. Call plt.show to display the bar chart in the output. Real-world example. Suppose you have sales data for different product categories, A, B, C, D, and their corresponding values. You can create a bar chart to visualize the sales performance of each category. The chart will have categories on the x-axis, sales values on the y-axis, and a title indicating the purpose of the chart. 6. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can easily create a bar chart in Python using Matplotlib to effectively represent data visually. Basic data visualization is like organizing your closet by color and type of clothing. Just like how you can easily find a red shirt or a black dress in your closet, basic data visualization helps you quickly spot trends and patterns in your data. This can be translated into a program by creating different visualizations such as bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs to represent your data in a clear and understandable way. Hey Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code begins by importing the matplotlib.pyplot module, a popular data visualization tool in Python. It then defines sample data for visualization, months representing the months of the year, and sales representing the corresponding sales figures. Next, a bar chart is created using plt.bar function, where the x-axis represents the months and the y-axis represents the sales data. The chart is styled with a sky blue color to make it visually appealing. Additional elements are added to enhance the visualization. plt.xlabel and pl.ylabel are used to label the x and y axis respectively. pl.title is used to give the visualization a title, in this case, monthly sales data. pl.gridTrue adds grid lines to the chart for better readability. Finally, plt.show is called to display the bar chart to the user. This simple bar chart visualization can be applied in various real-world scenarios, such as tracking sales performance over different months, analyzing seasonal trends, or comparing sales data across different products or regions. One industry that extensively utilizes basic data visualization techniques is retail. For example, a retail chain might use bar charts like the one shown above to monitor and compare sales performance across different store locations or product categories. This enables them to make informed decisions regarding inventory management, marketing strategies, and overall business growth. Another real-world application of basic data visualization can be found in healthcare systems. Hospitals and healthcare providers often use charts and graphs to present patient data, such as treatment outcomes or patient demographics. Visualizing this information can help medical professionals identify patterns, assess the effectiveness of different treatments, and ultimately improve patient care. The versatility and simplicity of basic data visualization techniques make them valuable tools across various industries, aiding in data analysis and decision-making processes. Across the globe, businesses and organizations leverage these visualizations to gain insights, communicate findings, and drive success. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.